Stuck on how to assemble these Super Mario chip bags? Watch this video for my basic steps on how you can assemble them. For the best DIY kids party planning advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Alright guys, this is how to actually assemble your Super Mario Rice Krispie treat template. As you can see, I have printed out my printable, which you can find in the link in the description box below. It is free to download. As you can see, this one here says Super Mario's Krispie treats, alright? But you can have it as the child's names, so like Ellie's Krispie treats or whatever. But you'll find more information when you click on to download your printable. Alright, so what you would need to make these is, of course, your printable, which can be printed out on some type of glossy paper. I'll link down below all my resources in that, but this is a glossy paper and it's not really thick. I would say it's about 80 GSM. I get mine printed from a family friend that has a printing business, so she prints all mine for me. Alright, you will also need your scissors, some type of adhesive tape. I'm using my ATG gun. You will also need your Rice Krispie treats, or in Australia we have what's called LCM bars. Alright, but same thing. And then if you're wanting to make it just a little bit more extra touch to it, you can use a crimping tool. But for this video, I'm actually not going to use the crimping tool, but I will link down below the video a video that I did use the crimping tool for my Rice Krispie treats and how it came out. And it was just a different techniques that I used for that one, which you are welcome to check out. Alright, so all you need to do is let's cut out our template, so each one, so we've got two here, let's just go ahead and cut it out. Alrighty, and let's get rid of that. Okay, so all we're going to do now is add our Rice Krispie treats to our template. So what I like to do is give it a bit of a push down, and I'm just going to see how it's going to look. Alright, there's a bit of fiddling involved, but once you get the hang of it, it's fairly easy. Alright, so we're going to wrap it up, wrap it around like that, and then we're going to wrap it on the sides too. So you want to make sure that the bag is about there. Alright, and then you also need to add some tape to the sides too. Alright, so when we fold it up, we just need to pop adhesive just on the one side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Try and go as close to the edge as possible. And then I'm just going to put some tape on either side of that too. And turn it over, and let's do this side. Alright, and then let's pop in our treats. Like so. And we're going to make sure that that is exactly in the center. About there. Yep. Okay, and let's fold you over. Alright, and then you just got to make sure that it matches up evenly and that it is in the center too. Okay, so that's fine about there. Yep. Okay, let's give it a push down. Right, and then all we need to do now is to push that in there and make sure that side's also pushed in. And then you're just going to squeeze on the sides, in the middle, and on the sides. Okay, and then do the same on the side, give it a push down, squeeze. I like to go from the middle outwards there, and then on that side too, and squeeze it down. Alright, and just make sure it's squeezed down. Alrighty, and there is my, it's just a bit of overlap over here, so I'm just going to give that a bit of a cut. Okay, but there we go. That is how, sorry, face that one. That's how you make your crispy treats. Okay, and then there's the back. Super simple, and it adds that extra special touch to your child's superhero party. Alrighty, so I'm going to keep going ahead and do this one here, but that is how it looks. Alrighty, so very quick, very easy. Oopsie. Alrighty, so I'm going to keep going with this one, but before I do, make sure to check out my other video I have on how to make the Super Mario chip bags, and where you can find the printable to download this for free. Also a fantastic party idea to have for your setup. Very quick and very easy to make, and the kids will love them too. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video helpful and you will give it a go. Please feel free to tag me to any of your decorations that you make from Ellie Rose Party Designs, and give this video a like, a share, a subscribe, send me any comments you might have, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.